Namaste, welcome to Easy Ayurveda. I'm Dr. Renita D'Souza. Today we will talk about Gokshuradi Guggulu, which is a very famous Ayurvedic medicine for genitourinary conditions. This tablet has Guggulu, that is Commiphora mucul, as its base ingredient. It is widely used in the Ayurvedic treatment for urinary tract disorders, diabetes, difficulty in urination, white discharge, heavy periods, gouty arthritis, disorders related to nerves, muscles and joints, male reproductive disorders, seminal defects, defective sperm, urinary calculi, etc. It balances Vata dosha. The dose and the timing of medicine depend on the decision of prescribing doctor. Usually it is prescribed in the dose of 1 to 2 tablets 2 to 3 times a day before or after food. It is administered along with water decoction of Musta, Pashana Beda, Ushira and so on. It is best to use this product under medical supervision. Coming to the ingredients of Gokshuradi Guggulu, it contains Gokshura. It is widely used herb to treat urinary disorders. It acts as diuretic and it improves strength and immunity. Then purified Guggulu. It rejuvenates the body, relieves pain, reduces cholesterol and inflammation. Then Trikatu. It is a combination of pepper, long pepper and ginger. This combination promotes digestion and metabolism. Then Triphala, it is a combination of Haritaki, Vibhitaki and Amla. It acts as an Ayurvedic antibiotic, reduces inflammation, pus and heals ulcers. It is also used to reduce high cholesterol and blood sugar level. Then Musta, it is very useful in dysuria, infection and fever. Its reference is taken from Sharangadhara Samhita, Madhyama Kanda. Gokshuradi Guggulu DS tablet is the same medicine in double strength. This medicine is manufactured by many Ayurvedic pharma companies such as Nagarjuna, Duta Papeshwar, Shri Shri Tattva, Vaidyanath and so on. Thanks for watching this video. To learn more about Ayurveda, please visit easyayurveda.com.